In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your My Tasks in Asana. 5 minutes. We'll keep it simple and practical so you can tidy up your personal task list and structure subtasks in a way that actually helps you get work done. Start by heading to the Asana website and logging in. Enter your email address, click Continue, then type your password and select Login. If you use single sign-on at work, just follow your usual login flow. Once you're in, you'll land on the Asana homepage. From here, open My Tasks from the sidebar. This is your personal command center where everything assigned to you appears. If you're juggling larger projects, your My Tasks can get cluttered fast. A smart way to bring order is to use sections within a parent task's subtasks, so related work stays grouped and easy to scan. Find the parent task you want to organize. Open it to see the Details panel on the right. Scroll to the Subtasks area because that's where we'll build structure. With the subtasks list in focus, create a new section using the keyboard shortcut Tab+N. You'll see a fresh section appear immediately in the subtask list. Give that section a clear, purposeful name, something like Today, This Week, or a category like Design Content or Follow-ups. Keep names short and consistent so you can spot them quickly later. Now start adding subtasks beneath that section. You can type in new subtasks right under the section header and Asana will keep them grouped there. If you already have subtasks created, simply drag and drop them into the right section. You can also move items between sections the same way, which makes it easy to rebalance your workload as priorities shift. If the list is long, drag using the handle on the left of each subtask to avoid accidentally opening it. As you refine your setup, think about the minimum number of sections you need to stay focused. Too many sections can add friction. 2 to 4 well-chosen categories usually work best. If you prefer time-based planning, use sections like Today, This Week, and Later. If you prefer themes, group by type of work. Whatever you choose, aim for a structure you'll actually maintain. That's it. Log in, open My Tasks, dive into a parent task, create sections with Tab+N, name them clearly, add or move subtasks, and keep refining until your list feels intuitive. With this approach, your My Tasks becomes a clean, actionable view you can trust every day.